Hey Jacob, we are at the Vienna factory store in Bridgeport, and we're going to take a look at two sandwiches today. One from Vienna beef, the corned beef sandwich in celebration of St. Patrick's Day. A lot of places do like corned beef specials, but you know, let's go with places that do corned beef year round, right? But yeah, we got the corned beef sandwich from Vienna, and then we got corned beef from your place, your favorite place in the world, Manny's. Look at this is Manny's right there. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. Well, we got Vienna beef here. Vienna beef was $15.99 for this sandwich, while the Manny's was only $18.99. So I don't know. Manny's definitely, if I weighed this, Manny's would definitely be the better deal. But let's do this. All right, so let's see if I can hold this side by side without being an utter disaster. Oh my God. There we go. Is that right? Is that looking about right? Manny's, Vienna. I'm gonna take a bite of the Manny's first. See how it goes. Alright, we're gonna do the Vienna next. God, this thing's falling apart. To be honest, most delis use Vienna in Chicago. The funny thing about eating them side by side is like you immediately notice what one has over the other. Is one saltier than the other? Does the other one have like some sort of flavor that the other one doesn't have? Number one, Vienna's juicier, but also came at the end of the day. A Manny's, if you come earlier, is probably less dry, like not as dry as normal. But yeah, the Manny's definitely superior. You're tasting what I love about corned beef is cloves, and you're tasting the cloves in spades. Whereas Vienna is just like, you know, more salty. Yeah, definitely. Your place. To be honest, I would the last time I've been to Manny's was with you. So I would think about how long that was. Like Snyder's, are there like fancier corned beef spots? Yeah, no, Manny's is still the best. Like Man, I should be going to Manny more often. What the hell? This video is now just a video of regret. Anyway, I'll see you around. Maybe we'll go up Manny next time. See ya.